everyone, this is Lin-E. Campfire Girls, if you're new to our channel, welcome. Today, it is hot in Missouri. We are packing up the camper and going to Colorado. So, if you're new to my channel and you haven't seen our little bitty 16-foot Coleman camper, we bought it back in 2018, brand new, and we take it to Colorado every year. So I'm gonna turn this around. I got the AC on high. I just came in. I'm starting to pack it up, so I'm excited. Love my Colorado. Okay, and down there we got Rosey. We remodeled this. There used to be bench seats that were sitting in here. Took up all this space, and we opened it up. We've got a little table. We turned it this way, and it rides in this closet. So when we get set up at camp, we'll set the table up, and we've got a seat there, and then I bring a chair for over here. And we will put our extra power stations down there. And last year I think I put my freezer down here, so we had extra freezer space. So I'm going to do that again this year. Up above, it has a stereo. It has, of course, that cabinet, all that storage space up there. This is the bathroom, which we're not level, so this door keeps falling open. This is the bathroom. Zoom in. And so we got stool, shower. We built this out. It used to be right here and went like this, and you didn't have any leg room. So that's why we took the seats out, so we could extend this bathroom out. And now it's awesome. It's perfect. Stool, shower. Of course, it's got the vent fan in there. And the sink is not, the sink's right there. It's got a 2-burner gas stove right there under this. And we set this on top for extra counter space. It's got a microwave, vent fan, pantry. As you can see, it's all cleaned out. I'm just now filling it back up. Up above here is all plates, silverware, coffee, all that. I'll put my coffee maker up there. I need to bring it over. And then of course, toothbrush, cutting board, scissors, knives. And then down here we put all our spices that we use. Of course, underneath everybody's got a junk drawer. That's our junk drawer. Underneath is pots and pans, planing. Then it's got this little refrigerator, which we don't have going yet. Actually, he does have that going. He's getting it ready. And it's got a little freezer in it, but we take everything frozen. That's our window unit. The bed's awesome. It's queen size. It's got his and her closets. And there is storage under the bed. There is storage outside. It's got TV. It's got my baby. And this is it. And it's perfect for us. And we love it. And we're excited. So, next video will be from Colorado. We're going to do, this year we do have a, Kirby just bought a Starlink Mini. So my live stream should be from Colorado, and I'm hoping that Kirby does it with us. So we'll just see what the weather's like when we get out there. So far, it looks like it's going to be raining every day, which is okay, because it's been on fire. But it did that last year. When we were there, our last day was the day of good sunshine. So anyway, I'm going to continue getting this baby ready. He's got the 300 Blue Eddy Elite 300. He's got it wired in there. We've put solar on top of our camper now. There's a 500 watt of solar panels up there. So that's the wire for that. And we're going to have the Blue Eddy riding in here also. And we're going to also take my EB55, my little one, and we will also take the AC180, which we used last year to power my freezer and refrigerator. And so this is going to be fun. We're going to have some new things going on this year in Colorado, and the place we're going, there's no electricity, so of course we've had a generator for years, but we're trying to get to where we can do this with solar and just use the generator for backups. When we remodeled this, we kind of remodeled it for Kirby's bike racing. He's a woods racer, has been most of his life, and so is his boys and his grandsons. But here's all his trophies. And the Curbinator, Hillbilly, Grand Prix. He got first place. And Ironman plus 50. Ironman means that he did that whole race by himself. You can do it Ironman it, which is one person riding the whole race. Or you can have a team of 3. And he did it Ironman 2020, so it's 6 years ago. He got first place in 50 plus division, which is really proud of him for that. And I got him some old biker Legends Never Die, and then here's some more of his trophies, and then Born to Ride. It's Bear 30, and we've got some more pictures that are coming, but in here he's got another trophy in here, and then this is him when he was real young riding his motorcycle. I thought that was kind of a cool picture, wanted to hang it up. So anyway, we're going to add some pictures of, we're going to take some new pictures of all of us in Colorado, and we're going to put them in here. So it's fun. It's not a van, but it's fun.